To Cayman Spark we go, where Dane Nelson and Anthony Thomas have it all to fight for in the race for the Jockeys Championship, as both are joint leaders atop the standings with 84 wins and only 2 days of racing to go in the year. Denise Walters has our Boxing Day preview.
Three-time champion Dane Nelson has ridden himself back to the top of the table after conceding the lead. Nelson at one point was leading the standings by as many as 20 wins. Then came the slump. This allowed the 2018 champion Anthony Thomas to chalk up the winners, to not only pass Nelson at the top, but to lead by as many as 17 wins. Thomas suffered a similar fate to Nelson as his winners started drying up, and after 2 winless race days, Thomas opened the door for Nelson to catch him on 84 wins. Nelson has secured 8 rides on Saturday's 10-race program to Thomas's 7. Nelson will be aboard Tuna Ciliata and Thomas King Arthur for the main protagonists in the trainers' race, Wayne DaCosta and Anthony Nunes respectively, in the feature Ian Levy Cup going 8.5 furlongs. Tuna Ciliata, who ran below expectation on his last outing and will be looking to make amends, shoulders top weight of 57 kilos or 126 pounds.
I'm a strong believer if you're going to have a championship weekend and the championship races, they should be weight for age. I gather that the SVRL has chosen to go a different direction, but all over the world, whether it be Breeders' Cup, whether it be Super Stakes Weekend and those Diamond Mile type of races, they're usually weight for age. I'm a little disappointed in that, but it is what it is and we will have to adjust accordingly.
Derby winner King Arthur finished in the frame on last, but like the rest of the field, have to contend with 2-1 favourite Mahogany, who won impressively on December 12, going 6.5 furlongs. Mahogany should not be fazed by the extra real estate as he won over this trip on August 16 in a very fast 1 minute 43 flat. 10 horses are set to run off at 4:25 p.m. Meanwhile, Nunes and DaCosta will both saddle 6 runners. Nunes leads DaCosta by approximately $5 million in stakes earnings. First post is 11:15 a.m. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.